a lot of these items I'll be practicing and demonstrating and showing how I use these Dollar Tree items in this journal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I went on a little Dollar Tree run today and I wanted to show you what I got for junk journaling. A lot of this has kind of like an eclectic vibe, funky, but let's get started. I'll also kind of tell you some ideas I would do with these things, but I'll be for sure doing follow-up videos. If you haven't seen my new eclectic journal that I made this weekend, there's a video of this. It's the video that I posted this morning if you'd like to see a full flip through. Okay, so party bags. Party bags are awesome for journaling. I'll grab one out. So I got, green. I really like the green. And then I got red striped. This video will be too long if I tell you all the ways you can use these party bags, but I'll just show you one, which is pretty common, of course. But you cut off the bottom here and fold it. If I can get it to fold. And then while you're binding your journal, you could bind it in and then cut this end, and then you'd have a pocket on both sides. It could also just be glued in, and then you'd have a pocket on the page. So lots of ideas with party bags. I like the red and green, so I'll be doing Christmas journal packs. I'll have them up for sale. I don't know how soon, maybe a month, maybe sooner. So anyways, these are kind of silly, but they're just, they're for children, but I like them because for an eclectic style journal, I thought it might be cute just to add, I don't know if I have a pocket in here, one to a pocket. And then it could be written on the back. So these are the kinds of things I look for. I mean, I know it's childish, but I still think it's adorable to put in a journal with this style. So then I got these. They might be hard to see on camera. Let me take them out of the package. So I find a lot of journaling stuff for my style in the children's section, like school section. So these are perforated or die cut numbers. Let me try not to rip one. I didn't get one out. Anyway, I just thought it would be cute, even on a page. I mean, yeah. There's lots of things you can, I can find tons of ways to use these. It could be on a tag, just be a number, whatever, So I got them in black. And then I don't even take this one out, but just in orange polka dots. These look like they could be a little, oh, there's a small set too. Okay, so yeah, these come with 61 characters. So just something fun to add to pockets. It could be a little piece of ephemera in a pocket too. So then I got these tube confettis. I've never gotten these before, but what I want to make are tags and tucks shakers. So I kind of stocked up on things I could do in a shaker, and I'll definitely be doing videos on making shakers to add to journals. I always get these when I see them. They're just, what are they called paper flowers, maybe? The Crafter's Square. Yeah. Of course, these can be used for a billion reasons. You could embellish pages, everything. They're just a staple. I like to have these on hand. I use them a lot in snippet strips that I've made. I'm a sucker for cute clips. I'm going to put one on my own journal right now because they're so cute. Which one do I want? Oh, I don't know. I'll do this one. It's chunky, but, probably be better if it was on like 2 pages maybe, or a thicker page. Either way, I just think I like having stuff kind of bulky and hanging out, so I always grab cute clips when I see them. And again, this theme that I was looking for today is for like bold, bright, art journal, eclectic. But I have a video a while back. Either way, when I shop for like a vintagey style, I can do it there too. They have time cards and ledger paper. They have great stuff for that style. Graph paper. So anyways, I got these two markers. These, you guys, on my live last night, we talked about the gold one. These last a long time, and they mark very well. I'm trying to get it out here. So I'll show you how well I use these for doodling on everything. Making faux stitching, adding detail. Let's see, I'll just write on the back of this. So they write very well. So, and then the gray. So, one other thing while I'm thinking about it. So, I save, if I don't destroy it, like I was not paying attention, but oftentimes, since I like to upcycle a lot, I save this backing and then repurpose it, decorate it, and now I've got a cheap tag for my journal. So some got crinkly, but I'm still gonna save it. So these are, and I love that cutout. I think it's cute. You can throw some paint or gesso. Anyways, so then I got a couple, did I get two of these? Maybe one, I'm not sure. So the book rings, which, you know, self-explanatory. Hook one on to the back of your journal. Perfect for dangles. Let me grab something that I'll show you what else I do with those. Okay, so I've been just working on this. I call it a treasure keeper. So it's just a different, like make a card when I'm crafting or feel like it. Kind of like a glimpse into what I was doing or feeling. So anyway, they're perfect for making these. Yeah, for $1.25, not bad. Okay. And then on the shaker note, I got some confetti. They had tons of colors, so if you are wanting to make a shaker, go to the Dollar Tree. And then I got some blues, some pinks. I'm going to try to make a shaker later today to show you guys. Okay. I used to have tons of sequins. I think I tossed them. I'm like not sure. I have to check. I've seen another crafter, people using the Dollar Tree roller cutter for fabric. I'm going to check it out. I'll give you feedback once I know if it works. Well, I wanted this to cut fabric when I'm making a journal cover. Oh, yep, I got 2 packs. I kind of stocked up. It looks like I got a lot of excess. But I'm considering making more eclectic journals or eclectic vibey like journal packs to sell. So I don't know yet. I start off making them just for fun, and then if people like it, then I decide if it's something that would be worth, selling. So anyways, I got these. I want to try making palms. I think they'd be adorable hanging from a journal. So we'll see how those go. Maybe once I figure it out, I'll do it on camera. And I grabbed some wooden beads, just, to make things to hang on the journal. I think it would be cool to, if I make little packs that go with the journals, if I get into that, having little pieces that people can work with. This was an impulse buy while I was just standing in the line waiting. But still, it'd be cute to fold it and add it to a journal page, sew it down, flip up. Did I need more funky paper? No, but I grabbed it. Then I grabbed these, index cards. I can't talk. They are lined, which is the only reason I got them, because, again, they're just cute. I'm kind of like a pocket stuffer kind of gal. So these are self-explanatory, but I just think they're adorable putting in a pocket. They can become their own pocket as well. You can nip right here the things we can do with index cards, I could do a video for like 2 years. You guys know that. Index cards are so useful. But I'm going to make it my mission to figure out a bunch of fun, unique ways that we can upcycle index cards. All right, I think that ends my haul. Yeah. So those are the things I got today, you guys. I'm going to work on some things that I'm going to make some things with this stuff and then record and show you guys ways to utilize them. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little craft haul. Let me know in the comments what you guys searched for at the Dollar Tree, because there's so many things in that store that if you like train your eye, that can become journal, journal stuff. So I know I'm missing tons of things that others have probably gotten. They're like, that's perfect. So anyways, let me know and I will see you later. Bye.